Hey folks, I'm Dennis. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on a dust mask that I bought recently and talk just a little bit about dust protection in the shop. What I've used for years is one of these AO safety masks, and it uses cartridges that you can replace. They're charcoal cartridges. You can get them for different things. You can get vapor cartridges that are good for like some chemical vapors. I don't think everything, but for some. But they're real good for dust protection. It's got a exhale valve. That's kind of what they look like new. This is an older package. I've had it for a long time because I bought two of them. If it gets warm in the shop or wherever you're working, it gets a little hot sometimes, makes your glasses fog up. So just for kicks, I bought off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link below. I've seen a lot of these on various social media sites, people that are working with wood. They're supposed to be good for dust masks. This one is called a sport mask. The reason I bought this particular one is because it comes with an additional filter and exhale valves. So it's just kind of a I'm not sure what kind of fabric it is. It's some kind of neoprene, I guess, and it's got an inside filter which has got some charcoal in it and a couple of layers of some fabric. That's supposed to be good is that it's good down to 2.5 microns, so that's fine for dust protection. It's got a little bridge piece on the nose, and then some of them that I've seen, they have like ear loops. Well, I'm not interested in anything with an ear loop because that's going to annoy me, especially safety glasses off and on, and reading glasses. But this one's just got a hook and loop behind the neck, so you just put it on like so, and it's lighter. It's easy to breathe in and out of. Sometimes these rubber masks will get a little labored to breathe through. You got to clean the exhaust valve and stuff, but even at that, sometimes just because you build up so much moisture, I think, inside of here, it gets a little labored. So anyway, I'm going to try it. It's comfortable. I've got a mustache, so you know, you got to make sure you're sealed around here. Well, this covers the whole area. So if I had a goatee or anything like that, it would cover all of that, so that's kind of nice. It's easy to take on and off because I don't have to do the headbands like I do on my big respirator, so that's kind of nice. It'll probably still fog up my glasses a little bit. Well, not really, not as bad as the other respirator, so that's not bad. I can exhale and not really fog them up. There's dust on them, but don't count that as fog. But anyway, it's real comfortable. I'm going to do a little bit of sanding with it, and then I'll let you know how it works. But I like the fact that it's easy to take on and off, as opposed to this one. You got two straps, neck strap and a head strap. So basically the way I put it on is this. Put that on like so, and then this up here, which is still fine. I can still get my glasses on and off, you know. Safety glasses or reading glasses, whatever. But now, you know, if I'm painting or something, I'm still going to wear this because that's really why I have this, for paint overspray and that kind of thing. But I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this new little mask for sanding. I wouldn't try it for paint or you know, any kind of fumes, anything like that. Staining, if you're worried about the stain fumes, you know, if you're using oil-based stain, which gets pretty loud. I don't think I'd use it for that, but I'm just thinking for something easy to sand with. So I'm going to do a little bit of sanding, and then I'll let you know how it goes. So as I'm sure you saw, I intentionally took my dust collection hose off of the sander and didn't run a dust bag on the sander either, just to try to give myself a fair amount of dust in the shop. Personally, I'm particularly sensitive to sawdust like that, to sanding dust rather. Just a little bit, and it'll give me a little cough, you know, and irritate my nose and that kind of thing. Doesn't seem to matter what type of wood I'm sanding. So I figured that would be a pretty decent test. I'm sanding oak, so I could smell the oak just a little bit, but I didn't feel like I was getting any dust at all inside. I don't feel any like on my lips. I wasn't breathing any. I don't feel it like in my chest or in my sinuses or anything, and normally I can pretty quick. So I think this is probably going to be a pretty effective mask. Now, like I said, this one in particular is rated, I don't know how they rated it. It's definitely not like a NIOSH mask or ANSI or anything like that. I'm sure it's made in China. So I don't really know how accurate the ratings are. Well, it doesn't say made in China, so maybe not. This one in particular is rated to 2.5 microns. Protect against exhaust, fumes, viral influenza, industrial emissions, dust allergies. I don't know about all that because I don't know a lot about what size, particles certain things are, but it seems to be all right for dust, for sanding dust. So I'm going to give it a try. If it stops working, in the future or whatever, then I'll do a follow-up. But at least so far, I mean, it's pretty comfortable. Like I say, I'll leave a link below on the one that I bought. But it's got a little bit of stretch to it, so you can, kind of make it fit your head comfortably and keep it tight. It's got a little nose piece that keeps it fairly secure on your nose without it being uncomfortable. And then even these little exhaust valves are replaceable. They just twist off. I've got a piece on the inside, like so, and you just take that off, and it's got a little I don't know if you can see that or not. It's got like a little diaphragm in there for exhaust, so you don't pull dust back when you inhale. And then it's got a replaceable carbon filter on the inside. You just take those two exhaust valves out, pop the new filter, and put the valves in. That holds it in place. So we'll see. But yeah, so far I think it's going to be all right. Thanks for watching my video. Appreciate it. If you would, throw me a like, give me a thumbs up below, and subscribe to my channel if you find anything else interesting here. And I hope to see you back soon. Thanks a lot. God bless you.